everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet this ring with the help of half double crochet stitch. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make a slip knot. After slip knot, make as many as chain crochet stitches as you want. You want a smaller ring, bigger ring. When you are done with desired chain crochet stitches, now we join first and last stitch. See, first and last stitch with the slip stitch. Okay. See, we are getting this kind of ring, but we are going to make it strong. So after that we make a chain crochet stitch and then yarn over. Insert the needle from inside of that circle, grab the yarn and pull through and make a half double crochet stitch. So in this similar pattern, we are going to make all our half double crochet stitches. We will yarn over, insert a needle from the inside of the ring, grab the yarn, pull through and make a half double crochet stitch. So in similar fashion, we have to go on making half double crochet stitches till our complete ring is covered. Our first and last stitch are like one beside the other. Okay. So I'll just complete this half double crochet stitches and I will show you. If any of you want to refer slow tutorial video for half double crochet stitch, please link is given in the description. So you can refer that link, refer that video. It is quite easy to understand and slow demonstration is given. See here, all our half double crochet stitches are done. Okay. Now, see, our first and last stitch are one beside the other. Now we join first stitch with the last stitch with a slip stitch. See, our ring is ready. So if you have subscribed to my YouTube channel, thank you, and those who have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. If you like the video, like, comment, share and please subscribe. Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.